Now we have to talk about the amazing crystal. If you are on my YouTube channel, which is Awakening Aphrodite podcast, FitAmyTV, you will see this gorgeous, gorgeous quartz. It's a citrine quartz, so it has a little tint of green. And Ross, you're going to explain all this. It's a Vogel-cut, master Vogel-cut crystal. Please tell everybody what this is, why the Vogel is unique and superior, and particularly what they need to know about crystals these days. Seems like everybody and their brother is getting essential oils and crystals. Why is the Vogel unique